Okay, so this week's challenge, I have some vital information that I promise you, very, very simple. In fact, we're gonna make it easy. It will literally change your life. So simple. But I want you to understand, it's Dr. McLean, by the way, with your challenge video this week from Vital Energy Chiropractic. And anything that you want to improve in your life, we're gonna talk about health specifically, but you can apply this to any area. You've gotta make it a habit, right? You've gotta make it a habit. So think about somebody you know that's really fit. And they typically work out for maybe 2 or 3 months, and then they take 2 or 3 months off, and then they start working out hard again to get back in shape, or they just kind of work out all the time. And if it's somebody you know is really fit, it's probably all the time. They probably just work out on a regular basis as a habit. So we've got to make it a habit, and then we're going to talk about taking drugs, which I never talked about taking drugs, so we'll talk about that. So number one is to make it a habit. You've got to make it easy so it can become a habit. So let's just take fitness. Let's say you're not working out at all right now. Start working out. Make it so easy that you're going to do it every single day. You want to make it a habit first before you worry about the result. You can't improve a habit that you don't have. So start working out a minute a day, 2 minutes a day. Whatever is so easy that you can't help but do it. Okay? And you say, a minute or two a day, what is that going to make a difference? It's not going to help at all. But your goal is, again, not even the workout, it's getting in the habit. If you already had the habit, then you can improve the habit, but you've got to develop the habit first. So you can work out more if you want, but your minimal commitment is you're going to get up every single day and you're going to work out for 1 or 2 minutes. You're going to do one particular exercise. And you do that day after day after day until it becomes a habit. So how do you make that easy? Well, if it's fitness, you want to do it, let's say, first thing in the morning, go to bed with your workout clothes on, or have your shoes right next to your bed. So as soon as you get out of bed, you literally step on your shoes and you go, oh, I'm supposed to work out first thing in the morning. And you do that day after day after day. And guess what's going to happen? You're going to start to wake up and your body's going to go, oh, it's time to exercise. And then your brain's going to go, oh yeah, it's time to exercise, because your body's craving that. Just like coffee. You've trained yourself to, if you're a coffee drinker, to drink coffee right away first in the morning. You've trained your physiology to do that. So you want to make it a habit. Make it so easy that you can't help but do that. Every single day, a minute or 2 minutes. And again, you can apply this to anything, okay? Any area of your life. But we're going to talk about fitness for this in this example. Second thing is you take drugs. Now, I never recommend to take drugs. So why am I talking about drugs? Well, you have the world's best pharmacy built into your nervous system. So how do you make this, make it easy, and then also make it fun, make your body and your nervous system crave that? You make it a game. Okay, when we have games and competitions, we release dopamine. Dopamine's a feel-good hormone. So you're going to get this almost, I don't want to talk about a negative term, but an addiction. Again, you're going to train your neurology, your nervous system to crave, to do these things. Fitness or eating healthy foods or whatever it is that your outcome is that you wanted to achieve. Okay, so how do you make it a game? Well, if it's fitness, for example, okay, I'm going to work out 1 minute a day for the next 30 days. I'm going to put a big calendar on my wall. And every time I do my 1 minute of working out, I'm going to put a big red X on the calendar. And after I do that for a few days, I'm going to see I've got 3 red X's in a row. I don't want to stop that chain. I'm competing against myself. I'm going to put the next X on there. And then every day I'm going to continue that. So I see that calendar. Even if I don't want to work out, I go, oh yeah, I want to keep that X going. And I do that. Or at home, I've got a bowl of marbles. And I've got an empty bowl on the right, and I've got a full bowl on the left. And I've set up the number of things that I want to move over. And every time I do that activity, working out or whatever it is, I get to move a marble over. And it's very simple, but your brain craves that competition. You can compete against other people. A couple of friends of mine right now, we're competing over the next 4 months to see who can drop the most body fat. So I've got that competition. It's going to help drive that dopamine, make me want to work out harder rather than just go work out. So make it easy, make it so easy that you can't help but do it. Now, after you've done this for a month or 2 months and it becomes so routine for you, a habit, then you can start working out. Then you can start working out 10 minutes, 20 minutes, a half hour, whatever you choose to, but it's a habit, right? And then always do the games, right? You can do the games within your workout too. You can set a goal of, okay, last time I did 10 push-ups without stopping. My goal is to get to 15 push-ups without having to take a break. You compete against yourself, okay? There's all sorts of ways that you can do this. Just like with your kids, if you tell your kids to go clean the room, they don't want to do it. But if you say it's a competition, whoever gets done first wins, or if you get it done in 10 minutes, I'll give you a prize. You can also reward yourself. After you've done it for a week, you've worked out 1 minute a day for a week, reward yourself by going buy a Starbucks coffee, or you get to read a magazine, or you get to watch a show of Netflix with no guilt. Whatever it is, set up a reward. And if you choose to, you can also set up a penalty. okay, if I don't get my workout in this morning, I cannot have coffee. I love to have my coffee. So if I can't have my coffee, it's going to hurt me. So I'm going to do my workout so I can drink my coffee. Okay. Now again, you can apply this to any area of your life, and it is truly what this is about is your long-term health. And true health is boring, slow, and methodical, right? That's why you see the headline that says, man loses 100 pounds. You don't see the headline that says, man eats chicken salad, man works out. 'Cause that's not exciting, right? That's not going to get the headlines. But truly, the truly healthy people do these things methodically over and over, or wealth, or they have great relationships. They do the simple things over and over and over, which is not always easy to do, but it's going to build that great health or that great relationships or the great wealth. I mean, chiropractic, it hurts my heart when people say to me, my back is just feeling really good. I'm not going to get adjusted anymore. And I understand that, but it's like, man, if you knew what I know, you would do what I do, which is get adjusted and do my spinal rehab, because I know that's the seat of the health. Everything runs to your nervous system. So if you're not taking care of your spine, you cannot be healthy. Okay. So do the things, the people that are really healthy, they work out even after they're already fit. The people that have lost the weight and keep it off, they continue to eat healthy even after they've lost the weight. They continue to do the things that got them there in the first place. Okay. So if you have questions on this, please let me know. If you have questions on how to set up the game, how to set up the habit, let us know. We will be happy to help you with it. Please hit the share button. Share this with other people. If it's an email, forward it to other people so they can see it as well, so we can spread this message. More people need to hear this. We need to have more people healthy so we can get healthier as a country, as a state, as a city. That's going to help everybody.